Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money Tree, and today is 16th of April. And let's see what's happening in the market and how you need to look at your trading decisions. If you see yesterday, we couldn't actually move higher in the initial phase. So there was a little bit of correction, as I told you when we started off with the pre-opening itself. Wherever was the support, probably will now become a resistance. So we have closed exactly at the same place, and overall bulls are actually still strong at 14,300, 14,500. These levels. Bears will still have their positions around 14,800, 15,000. Now we need to bulls have to actually come out much more stronger, then only they can push the prices higher. With the COVID numbers increasing, with the lockdowns increasing, there's a lot of confusion with the traders. And one good factor is yesterday we have started seeing FII's numbers again positive after a very long time. So that is a good thing. So let's see how actually market is going to react. So yesterday's support and resistance is going to still hold good right now for today. So as long as we open above 14,600 and 650 and continue to hold that, we can easily move towards the 14,800, 850 levels for Nifty. For bank Nifty, it is very important to start the day somewhere around the support level, around that 32,300 level. We need to start this and actually hold that. As long as we can actually start the day with a gap and actually continue to hold, this could actually play a major role, especially uh, because otherwise there will be a bigger resistance at 32,300. But if now the opening itself will happen about that, that will be a very big factor which can drive the prices. And major hurdle will come around 32,500, 32,800 onwards. Once we can actually surpass that, we should be able to move towards 33,000, 33,500. Major hurdle after that is going to be around 34,000. Above that, actually bank Nifty is going to become very strong. So let's see how actually things are going to go. For today, we are not expecting any big moves until unless we have, probably the bankings could be the bigger space where there could be a big move which is going to happen. So watch out on that. And let's actually look at what's happening in the overall global economic scenario. Look at US market. Most of the indices have made record new highs. Dow Jones has made a record new high, S&P made a record new high, and Nasdaq is very nearby to its previous all-time highs. So even the Russells, which actually opened almost negative, it started actually doing extremely good. So overall, US markets have done extremely great, and even the European markets, you can see they have been actually growing steadily. So overall, the global market situation is extremely positive. It's only the locally we are having more challenges, especially because of the COVID situation which is there. Now the opening can start somewhere around 14,600, 630 levels, which as we have been predicting. Let's see how actually it's going to open, and can they actually take it forward. Hopefully now they should be able to take it forward and take the prices on a higher note. Yesterday's data have been extremely positive. The core sales data which was there in US has been better than expected. Initial jobless claims has been better than expected. The manufacturing index has been better than expected, and the retail sales number has been better than sorry. So all these factors have actually helped the markets to move higher. So today the China GDP numbers have been very good, and that is what has actually started moving the prices higher. So because of that, now the gold prices have also shot up yesterday. And now we have, since we have crossed 1750 on gold, now 1780 is going to act as a resistance. Now if we can actually move higher, probably uh, the overall scenario of gold can actually start improving if we can actually cross 1800 and start holding that. Otherwise, it can actually again come back to the previous low of 1650 levels. So let's see how things are going to go. As of now, it is more on the sideways zone. After yesterday's fantastic data which came in the US, the crude oil also has actually moved up based on this. Now the challenge for crude oil will be now around this level. $63 is going to act as a good strong resistance zone. So I think here we should start seeing some reversal, and which could actually push the price down. One of the greatest factor is yesterday we have seen a big fall in the bond yield, which now looking at the overall charts looks like it is heading downwards. The short term has actually become weaker, so this looks pretty good for us. So the main challenge which was there because of the volatility is subsiding right now. Another major factor for the uh, all this volatility has been the US dollars. Now, after RBI's intervention yesterday, there has been a good fall which has happened. So, which is now looking that it can actually calm down. And if this can calm down, this could be very good. And yesterday, we have also seen that the the FIs have started buying. So overall, this looks pretty good, and that is could be very good for the market. So guys, if you are actually liking the information I'm sharing with you in this video, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notification. Thank you very much, guys. See